Hi, this is an overview of an inventory management system developed using Excel with a VBA. So what I'm going to do now is to take you guys straight into Excel and we put one of these together. So let's reset and start all over. Now select product description right there. That is what I want, and that's the detail of this very product there. Now many days, let's say the days is going to be 5. You see what happened there, the limit, and there. So let's check the accounts. Alright, and here payment due, no. Then what about deposits? Say yes, and method of payment, let's go for MasterCard. I will just check the other product that we have in there, and here the data already set. So all we just need to do now is to find the total and there. Okay, and we can also add all the necessary information here. We can add them straight onto the spreadsheet. So if I click on spread, and there you can see that in there. Yeah, and those are the items that I selected earlier on there, and you can keep adding as many as you want. Look at that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys straight into Excel development environment, and we put one of these together. And for your information, if you want this particular program, you should be able to see. I will enter the full URL onto the description area, and I will also enter the details on the thumbnails. So bye for now, guys.